We're learning that the revised NET dates have been announced. The NTA has announced UGC NET and CSIR NET dates. The UGC NET is set to be computer-based paper instead of paper-based. The UGC NET is going to be held between the 21st of August to the 4th of September. And the UGC CSIR is set to be held between the 25th of July to the 27th. To get us more on this development, crossing back over to my colleague Sabyasachi. Sabyasachi, so now the dates have been announced for the tests.
Well, absolutely. New dates have been announced for the test at this particular time. See, it is very much important for the lakhs of students who will be appearing this exam. We are seeing that continuously the future of these students are being at risk, and the NTA, which has been under a lot of criticism from the opposition parties regarding their functioning. The opposition parties, in fact, questioned that how the system has been completely compromised. The system has been controlled by a certain mafia. At this particular time, it is very important for the central government as well as for the NTA to make sure that they conduct the examination in a free and fair manner. And a committee has been formed to make sure that no illegal practice takes place and transparency is maintained. See, this time around, the exam will be extremely crucial because from the normal paper-based exam, it has been shifted to a computer-based exam. And now the committee which has been formed, they would be making sure that during the examination, a free and fair process takes place. So the opposition MPs have been questioning the intent of the central government surrounding the NEET controversy, stating that all these measures which has been taken by the central government, whether it is the investigation, whether it is a change of the NTA chief, these measures have been taken very late, whereas the focus of the government should be on making sure that the system is not compromised, the system is not controlled by certain mafias.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.